वापस ले ले। इस बात की कीमत चुका रहा पंजाब।
What if we told you one of India's biggest stars worked on a film for just 1 rupee? No, not 1 crore, not 1 lakh, just rupee 1. And the reason behind it may leave you emotional. Diljit Dosanjh's performance in Satluj has already won widespread praise. But now, director Honey Trehan has revealed a remarkable story from behind the scenes. One that shows just how deeply Diljit connected with the man he was portraying. In an interview, Honey Trehan said he never wanted a mainstream Bollywood star to play human rights activist Jaswant Singh Khalra. For him, authenticity was everything. He wanted someone from Punjab, someone who understood its language, its history, and its emotions. And every time he imagined Khalra on screen, only one name came to mind: Diljit Dosanjh. Back in January 2021, Trehan managed to meet Diljit at Amritsar Airport. The actor had only a few minutes before catching his next flight, but he still agreed to hear the filmmaker out. During the conversation, the two began discussing Punjab, its history, and its people. According to Trehan, without knowing why he had been called, Diljit himself started talking about Jaswant Singh Khalra, calling him someone he deeply admired. That's when Trehan handed him a research folder. On its cover was Khalra's photograph and the initials JSK. Trehan says the moment Diljit saw it, he immediately stood up, placed the script against his forehead, and softly said, "Vaheguru." It was that moment the director knew he had found his Khalra. But perhaps the most touching part came later, when the discussion turned to money. According to Honey Trehan, Diljit refused to charge his usual fee. Instead, he reportedly said, "How can I charge to play someone like Khalra? It would be shameful." Since a formal contract required a payment amount, Trehan insisted something had to be mentioned. So Diljit suggested a symbolic fee, just rupee 1. Satluj, formerly titled Punjab 95, finally premiered on ZEE5 on July 3rd after years of delays. The film tells the story of Jaswant Singh Khalra, who exposed the disappearances of thousands of people during Punjab's insurgency years.
मनुष्य अधिकारों की लड़ाई है, पूरी कौम की लड़ाई है। ये कद्दूकारा आप लोगों ने शुरू किया है। मैं पीछे नहीं हट सकता।
However, the celebrations didn't last long. Within 2 days, the film was removed from ZEE5 amid fresh controversy. Government sources have said authorities are examining whether films released directly on OTT platforms should require mandatory CBFC certification before streaming. While Satluj continues to make headlines for the controversy surrounding its release, Honey Trehan's revelation has given fans a different reason to admire Diljit Dosanjh. Because sometimes the biggest tribute isn't measured in crores, it's measured in respect. For more news and updates from the world of showbiz, stay tuned to Times Entertainment.